Samsung is going to unpack Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with some regional changes. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung is planning to unpack Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, showing us a small teaser on their official YouTube channel, and the president and head of MX business for Samsung has an interesting blog post today, along with some leaks about regional processor-based changes is going to happen with the Galaxy S22 lineup. TM Ru said, the most noteworthy S-series device Samsung has ever made. Even though Note line was shut down in 2021, Samsung is making a comeback with a Note-looking device under the name of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which processor will going to launch in your region according to a new regional leak. Ru's blog ended with a quote, "Get ready for the ultimate Ultra experience," which confirms the new Galaxy S22 top-of-the-line variant will called S22 Ultra, not S22 Note as leaks are indicating it before. Moreover, he also talks about the night photography. He said, "Own the night, taking the best and brightest photos and videos you have ever captured with a phone." Let's see, I think something interesting coming with the new 108 megapixel main lens on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we might see some interesting features on telephoto lens with different color tones and more details. The teaser that was uploaded on Samsung's official YouTube channel wasn't indicating the exact date for an unpacked event, although we already have leaks around the launch date. First, we were talking about the 8th Feb, but according to the Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy S22 launch event will be on 9th of Feb 2022 in Beijing 11 PM and will go on sales on 25th of Feb 2022. The leaks that were on service saying we might not see the Exynos 2200 this time, but Samsung launched it on Tuesday this week. But the more interesting part is that this time some region may not get the Exynos 2200 but will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in their region. A leaker on Twitter posted Galaxy S22 series line regions, where European users will get the Exynos 2200 as I've already talked about in my previous videos. I will skip to the part and get straight to the Asian countries where Exynos 2200 is not coming in some Asian countries this time, where it was available before. Samsung always launch Exynos variant in Asian regions like South Asia, and if you're a fan of Snapdragon, this time you have a good news. You may get Snapdragon variant in your region because some of the production issues is going with the Exynos 2200. Samsung may produce more Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 variants than Exynos 2200, although this is just a leak and we cannot confirm it until Samsung comes out and have a say on this. But that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and according to the new regional leak, which processor is going to launch in your region? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.